Welcome back to the ABCs of Real Estate. I'm Sarah Taylor from Flagstaff, Arizona. Today we're going to use the letter Q and talk about quitclaim deeds. Quitclaim deeds are a common way to transfer ownership of a property in the state of Arizona. For example, they're often used right after a marriage or a divorce so that you can update the names on the title and the deed. You'd want to talk to your escrow officer, your tax professional, and even a real estate attorney before using a quitclaim deed. They're really easy to use. In fact, there's a form you fill out and you sign and notarize it, and then it's recorded with the county. However, with a quitclaim deed, there's no guarantees, warranties, or any of the covenants of title included. So if you're actually purchasing a property, you're going to probably want to use a special warranty deed or a regular warranty deed. Just talk to your escrow officer and see what works for your scenario. But quitclaim deed can be a really easy way just to transfer ownership if that's what you need to do. If you have questions about quitclaim deeds or want to talk to me about other items in real estate, feel free to reach out. I'm at 928-607-3015. Thank you.